Do you suffer from that uncomfortable burning sensation in your chest after meals? Or do you feel that you have to constantly take antacids or medications to get some relief from your stomach acid? What if I told you there is a simple natural drink that you can make at home that can help you to get rid of your acid reflux symptoms instantly? Yes, one simple cup can make a huge difference in getting rid of these acid reflux symptoms for you. And that's what exactly I'm going to share in today's video with you. Hi, I'm Dr. Anshul Gupta. I'm a board-certified family physician with advanced training in functional medicine and integrative medicine. I help people with autoimmune diseases as well as with gut disorders to get their life back. I have seen thousands of people with gut disorders, especially acid reflux problems, and they were able to improve their issues. I myself struggled with acid reflux issues, and medications were not helping me. That's where functional medicine was a lifesaver for me, and this particular drink was very useful to take care of my acid reflux symptoms. So that's what I'm going to share with you today. But let me first share with you what is this acid reflux or acidity or GERD. Different names it is called from. Whenever you eat food, from your food pipe it goes to your stomach, and your stomach role is to digest that food so that it can goes to your intestine for absorption. Certain times this process of digestion in your stomach doesn't happen properly, and that food can sometimes come back into your esophagus, which is a food pipe. And that's where people feel the typical burning sensation in their chest or in your stomach area. Along with the burning sensation, some people can also feel bloating sensation, they can feel nausea, they can feel excessive gas, or they can also feel burping. So these are all signs and symptoms of acid reflux which is happening inside your body. Now here's an interesting fact. Most people think it is a production of excessive stomach acid which is causing this acidity or acid reflux. And that is not true. The research shows that in reality what is happening in your stomach is that your stomach is not able to digest this food properly, and that's the reason that food rots in your stomach, and that rotting of the food is responsible for causing all of these symptoms of burning as well as gas buildup in your stomach. And that's the reason several people do not see benefit from taking antacids or even stronger medications like ranitidine or pantoprazole even on the daily basis. And plus, the problem is that once you get hooked to these medications, as soon as you stop them, then the acid reflux comes back. So that's the reason I've developed this 1 cup recipe of the drink, so it directly works on the root cause of the acid reflux and give you long-lasting benefits. And the good part is that it is made from natural ingredients that you can make at home. Let me first share with the ingredients and how they are going to help you in your acid reflux, and then I'm going to talk about the exact way of how to prepare this drink. The number 1 ingredient on this drink is aloe vera. Aloe vera has anti-inflammatory properties as well as it promotes proper digestion in your stomach, and that's the reason it has been very helpful for acid reflux symptoms. In fact, a research study in 2015 compared aloe vera with other medications like omeprazole and ranitidine, and it showed that aloe vera was as effective as compared to these medications in resolving the acid reflux symptoms, and the good part was that it was pretty natural. So that's the reason this anti-inflammatory properties, soothing property, and promoting proper digestion helps your GERD symptoms. Now here's the catch. Whenever you are buying aloe vera juice in the store, it is mixed with citric acid or some kind of preservative into it. That preservative is going to hurt your stomach acid. So either buy aloe vera juice without citric acid or make your own aloe vera juice at home by aloe vera pulp. The second ingredient over here is slippery elm powder. Slippery elm powder contains a mucilage, a gel-like substance that coats and soothes the esophagus as well as your stomach lining. It has been used for centuries to helping the GERD symptoms. Basically, it forms a protective layer around your stomach lining and reduces the irritation, which is a major problem in acid reflux people. The third ingredient over here is ginger. Ginger promotes digestion in your stomach as well as improves your gastric motility. By improving the gastric motility, it doesn't let the food to sit in your stomach and rot over there. And that's the reason ginger promotes nausea as well as reduces the gas production in people. The next ingredient over here is marshmallow root powder. Marshmallow root powder again is very important because it reduces inflammation in your stomach lining as well as reduces the irritation in the stomach lining. Marshmallow root works in collaboration with slippery elm by providing a protective layer around your mucous membranes of your stomach lining and thereby again reducing the irritation caused in the acid reflux problem. The last ingredient over here is raw honey. Raw honey again reduces inflammation as well as reduces irritation in your stomach. It also has antibacterial properties, so it also helps in preventing any gut-related infections in your stomach area. So these are all the ingredients of this recipe, so that will help you to get rid of the acid reflux from the root of its problem. Now, how to prepare this drink? To prepare this drink, you need 1 cup of water. Then you need to warm this 1 cup of water. After it has come to a boil, you add half an inch of grated ginger into this boiling water. And then you turn off the heat. You let the ginger sit into this warm water for around 3 to 4 minutes. After that, you add 1 tablespoon of aloe vera juice into it. And then you add half a teaspoon of slippery elm powder as well as half a teaspoon of marshmallow root powder. And then you strain this mixture. And then in the end is where you add 1 teaspoon of raw honey into it. And then you can drink this mixture. The best time to drink this is before your meals, especially before your lunch as well as before your dinner, because that's the time you will have all your symptoms of stomach acid. Along with this drink, it is also very important to follow a healthy lifestyle. What that means is that try avoiding bigger meals. Big meals again are difficult to digest. Foods which are processed as well as foods which are very high fat content, especially fried food, are again difficult to digest also. So avoid eating them also. Along with that, reduce stress in your body. And also one more important tip. After your lunch and dinner, go for 10 minutes of a walk. That will help again your stomach to digest that food and also move the food from your stomach to your intestine so it doesn't rot in your stomach. So try these tips along with this 1 cup recipe and see if your stomach acid gets better. Please share in the comment section after trying this recipe, how do you feel? Consistency is the key. You might have to try this recipe for a week before you see substantial difference. I hope you like this video. If you do, please share it with other people who can benefit from this great information. Until next time, take care. Bye.